Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I just wanted to do a quick video showing a little bit of how I have been doing some overhead product photography or unboxings recently. And I'm just recording this with my DJI Osmo Pocket just so that this is just a quick video. But what I ended up doing is purchasing this arm, and it's a microphone boom arm off of Amazon. And as you can see here, for my purposes, I have this granite countertop in my basement here, and I just attached the arm to that, right? So it gives me just a good place to mount it, and then I can position it basically so that the camera, and I'm using a Canon G7X Mark II here, can point straight down and videotape whatever is on the countertop. Now this would vary, I guess, depending on how you have a table or a desk or whatever that you might be using. But you can see here, this is just the countertop. Now, I don't know if this is cheesy or not, but I did get just some inexpensive poster board from Hobby Lobby that has a few different patterns. So this is kind of like a wood pattern, like a darker wood pattern, and this is like a different sort of pattern. And honestly, when you're looking at these from above on the camera, I mean, it does a good job of just providing a backdrop for whatever you're doing. And then usually I will use these inexpensive compact fluorescent lights, also got from Amazon, and I have a couple of these, and I usually will put two of them kind of around this so that I get enough light down on the actual tabletop so that I can get a good exposure and all of that. So super cheap. Like, this thing was like about 19 bucks, I think. I also got just a inexpensive ball head, as you can see, that fits right on the end, on the arm that comes with the microphone adapter. And then basically I can use that to position the camera. So I can twist the camera in all different directions. And actually I can even use it if I wanted to, like this, if I was going to record myself. I could use the camera mounted on here this way as well. But like I said, I've been using it positioned, goes straight down. So like I said, that's just a quick video here. I just wanted to show this because I actually had somebody comment, like, how do I have that set up for one of the other unboxing videos that I did. And this is basically it, right? So cheap boom arm from Amazon, cheap ball head, and a way to connect the camera. So I will link to these in the description of the video. Thanks for watching. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time.